Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to perform a factory reset. You can simply do this on your LG G6. You can go to settings, you can go to general, you can scroll down and you will see the reset button right here. You can click reset and you can perform a factory reset from doing it right here, right? It says that your battery needs to be above 30% in order to reset your phone. So it's very important to charge your phone at 30%, right? If it happens that you have been locked out of your phone, I'm going to show you the second method on how you can reset your LG G6. And to do this, you will want to power off the phone. So you hold the power button. You want to ensure that your battery percent is around 30 or above 30, right? So we have ours at 31. You want to ensure that your battery percentage is above 30%. To perform this factory reset, you want to hold down the home button and the volume down. You want to hold the power button and the volume down. As we hold these two buttons together, right, you want to tap the power button as well. When you see that the screen lights up, keep holding, and now the screen lights up. You want to tap the power button. That's the trick. So if you find that you're not getting through, you want to release holding the power button and hold the power button again, right? So you use the volume down. You use the power button to select yes. You use the power button to select yes. Then you click yes to OK. The phone will now erase, perform a factory reset, and then you're good to go. That's how we do it, and we are finished. Do like, share, and subscribe.